how to fix Facebook Messenger logout. So all what you want to do, guys, is very simple. Just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Go to the messenger right here, click on it, and then all what you want to do on this page is click on data usage. Make sure to enable all these four options right here and then go back, click on force stop, and then go to the storage, click on clear cache, and now restart your phone. That's it, guys. Very easy and simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.